I'm Tom Olszewski with Team Olszewski and Caldwell Banker. How's the real estate market is a question real estate professionals such as myself get asked on a daily basis. However, unlike the stock market that is reported on a daily basis in the news, real estate is something that is very hyper-local and not reported on or reported with national trends that may or may not affect our local market. For an inexperienced real estate agent, it's easy just to reply based off of how their personal business is doing. However, a true real estate professional bases their answers and predicts demand and pricing off of 5 key indicators. The first of these indicators is the volume of active listings. As the volume of active listings decreases, prices increase because there's more demand and there's not enough inventory. This is what happened in the spring with COVID-19 hitting the market and impacting what sellers were wanting to do, not list their home. The next indicator is the median sales price. The median sales price usually trends the opposite of what the volume of listings is doing. So if the volume of listings is down, the median sales price is going up because there's not enough inventory. The next one is the time on the market. This is an indicator of how much demand there is. If the time on the market for a listing is low, it means the demand is higher. And this is a great indication of what we can predict in the market. The next is the ratio of active listings to pending listings. As the ratio narrows, it means there's more demand. So when the number of pending listings equals the number of active listings, there's a good demand, and as the number of pending listings is higher than the number of listings available, well, then you're in a red hot market and prices are going up, kind of like what we have now at end of 2020. The last item to look at is the sales price versus the list price. As you see, when the sales price matches the list price, it means demand is up. If there's a lot of volume with a lot of activity and a lot of inventory on the market, but there's not a lot of demand, then you're going to see that the sales price is probably lower than the list price. But as your listings are on the market a shorter amount of time, because demand is higher, you're going to see prices being bid up with multiple offers, and therefore the listing price and the sales price will match. And then sometimes, even now, we're seeing in a market where the sales price might be quite a bit higher than the listing price. However, in our market and across the country, lending policies and appraisal practices are conservative, and they're holding back prices somewhat. So even though a buyer may want to buy that house at the higher price, the lender in the appraisal will hold back the appraised value, and therefore maybe the buyer cannot qualify to buy the house. So keep that in mind when you're determining your price, and get advice from a real estate professional. If you have a question about real estate, or you would like to list your home because you're thinking about buying a home and you've received this email video, feel free to reply to the video. It'll come right to me and I'll be able to answer your question. Coordinate the time to meet or help you however I can. Take a look at my real estate marketing update videos coming soon with the details on what's going on in the local real estate market ending the third quarter. We are here to assist you, and we look forward to helping you, and see you next time. Make it a great